Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving through Havendale and we're going to drive from Havendale to Meadowbrook. Now Havendale is a very large residential area. Back in the day it was one of the nicest areas in Jamaica, and so is Meadowbrook. As you can see, we're in Havendale now, heading towards Meadowbrook. As you can see, some very nice homes, very large area. We are, you can enter Havendale from Mannings Hill Road, and you can enter Meadowbrook from Red Hills Road. And there are thousands of homes in these two areas. Thousands of very large communities. Very nice homes too. On the left is a apartment building that's being built. It's under construction, and almost everywhere you go in Jamaica you see construction. It's a booming industry in Jamaica, and that goes to show how well the economy is doing. Okay, on the left is the Havendale Community Center. And straight ahead, that hill is, I think it's either Red Hills or Smokyville. The hill that Smokyville is on. That's more like Smokyville. Or maybe it's the same hill, I'm not sure. If anybody knows what hill that is straight ahead, you can let us know. But I know the Smokyville area is definitely up there. Okay, we're now driving into the Meadowbrook area. On the right is the Meadowbrook Prep School, and Meadowbrook is probably most popular for the schools. You have the Meadowbrook Prep School, but you also have the Meadowbrook High School, which is one of the top schools in Jamaica, a very prominent high school. And this is the Meadowbrook High School entrance on the right. As you can see, Meadowbrook is a very large neighborhood. It's probably just as big as, probably even bigger than Havendale. Thousands of homes. Another view of the Meadowbrook High School entrance. Alright, straight ahead now is Red Hills Road. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.